Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we gonna do Brazil Cacao Eco Keratin. Let's begin. Step 1, hair wash. We will be using these items in this video. Apply dryer. Make 6 different sections for applying Eco Keratin treatment. Apply Eco Keratin treatment. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. The final look. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.